Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas.
These crumble cookies are really easy. Add to a bowl a stick of softened butter, 1 egg, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of powdered sugar, a 1/3 cup of oil, and 2 1/3 cups of flour. Mix everything up well. Once your dough is formed, you're gonna need to take your parchment lined baking sheet. This one has a silicone lining, and all of us know that crumble cookies are very big. So I'm using this jumbo ice cream scoop. I'm just gonna press some dough into there and then plop it down on my cookie sheet. Now take a cup with a flat bottom and you're just gonna smash this cookie. You're gonna bake these for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I have some green apples. I'm gonna chop them up into little squares, add them to a small pot with a half a teaspoon of butter. Here I have some brown sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and cornstarch, and of course a little regular sugar. We're gonna be making a really nice syrup. Add some cold water and a little spoonful of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You're gonna mix everything together. It's gonna thicken up with that cornstarch. Just make sure the pan was not hot when you started, because anytime you're working with cornstarch and you add any type of warm liquid, it clumps up. So just use cold water, keep that in mind. And now we just wait. Keep it simmering for about 3 to 5 minutes. The apples just need to soften up a bit. The cookies are ready. As you can see, they should be nicely golden brown all around the edges. And this is hot, but I'm going to show you. The bottom should also be golden brown. Go ahead and scoop the apple pie filling on top. These cookies, guys, are like individual warm apple pies, but better than hand pies because of that thick, crispy cookie crust. And lastly, guys, I saved one of the cookies because if you haven't seen these apple pie cookies at Crumble, they have a little topping on it. Go ahead and break off a piece, and you're just gonna give your cookie a little bit of topping. It's Thesa's time. Should I try crumbles first? Let's give it a try. The bottom tastes more like a sugar cookie than an actual pie crust, and the top part just tastes very generic apple pie filling. Now for mine. Cheers. It's extremely crispy on the outside and super soft and moist. It might be because it's warm. Look at that inside. Oh my god. Now if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. This month I'm going to be having a ton of Christmas cookie recipes if you guys are cookie fans. Stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.
Save the wrapping paper, your ribbon.